Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you all ready to solve a challenging question? Okay, let's start. Here it is given. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Bronze is containing 80% of copper, 4% zinc and 16% tin. A fused mass of brass and bronze was found to contain 74% of copper, 16% of zinc and 10% of tin. The ratio of copper to zinc in brass is. That is what we need to find. So now pause the video and try to solve the question in your own way. Okay, so now I am going to discuss the solution of this question. Before that, let me remind you, this question can be solved in many different ways. I am only discussing one of those methods. You can solve it in your own methods. So first, it is given that brass is equal to some percentage of copper plus some percentage of zinc, plus it does not contain any trace of tin, so we are writing 0% of tin. And bronze contains 80% copper plus 4% zinc plus 16% tin. And the mixture, that is brass plus bronze, is equal to 74% copper plus 16% zinc and 10% tin. So here brass does not contain any amount of tin, only bronze contain tin. But in the mixture it is 10% tin and bronze contains actually 16% of tin. So actually 16% of bronze is equal to 10% of mixture, that is brass plus bronze, because brass does not contain any amount of tin, only bronze contains tin. So 16% of bronze is actually equal to that 10% of brass plus bronze. So 16% of bronze is equal to 10% of brass plus 10% of bronze. So subtracting, we get 6% of bronze is equal to 10% of brass, and bronze divided by brass is 10 by 6, that is 5 by 3. So this is the ratio of bronze is to brass in the mixture. So we got the ratio of bronze and brass in the mixture. Now we need to get the ratio of copper and zinc in brass. So let's compare copper, the ratio of copper. You can compare any one, either copper or zinc. So here we are comparing copper. Yeah, so you can use this using you can do this using alligation method. Hope you all know alligation method. So brass contains X percentage of copper, we don't know how much percentage, and bronze it is 80%, and in mixture it is 74%. So by alligation we subtract 80 minus 74 is 6 and 74 minus X. So 74 minus 6 divided by 6 is actually, we know the ratio of brass is to bronze, that is 5 by 3. So 74 minus X by 6 is equal to 5 by 3, and from that we can get the value of X, which is 64%. So if brass contains 64% of copper, then the percentage of zinc is 36%. So the ratio of copper to zinc is 64:36, that is 16:9. So that is how you solve this question. You can have many other methods. You can have even a shorter method or broader method. This is only one of those methods. So hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.